Hello, good morning. So today we're going to be taking BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question 6. Which of these can be used to demonstrate the magnetic field pattern around a bar magnet? Which of these can be used to demonstrate the magnetic field pattern around a bar magnet? A. Ball bearing, B. Charcoal, C. Galvanometer, and D. Iron filing. Now I want us to take this option one after the other. Now A says ball bearing. Now I want you to understand that ball bearing is also a metal, but due to the large density of this ball bearing, it cannot be used to demonstrate the magnetic field pattern due to its large density. So it cannot be used to demonstrate this magnetic field pattern, because let's assume this magnetic field is actually weak. You will notice that it won't be able to reflect on this ball bearing. Also, the charcoal itself, we know that charcoal is a non-magnetic solid, so therefore it cannot be affected by magnetic field. And then galvanometer is an instrument that is used to measure current. That small current is used to measure minute current, and so cannot be. Then iron filing are like small particles of iron, and due to their low density and their low weight and mass, you notice that they are easily affected by this magnetic field. When iron filing find themselves in a magnetic field, they are easily attracted, because they have low mass or low density. So from these options, we see that our answer is iron filing, which is D. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.